Rugged Radios responds. Let's check this out.
Shut up and sit down.
Rugged Radios responds to a video I posted a while back about an FCC citation that they received. And I wanted to share with you guys exactly what that entails and what they responded with. I got their permission to share this email, so I wanted to share it with everybody. But if you're just joining us today, my name's Jason. I'm KC5HWB. On this video series, we do reviews, news, and how-tos of many things that are new in amateur radio. And these news articles that come up like this about rugged radios, and I did one a while back about the new $35 fee to get your license and renew your license. These news articles are newsworthy. This is not a news show, news series, but these news articles that I report on sometimes get a lot of attention, and which tells me that you, the audience, want to hear about this stuff. So let's take a look today and see what Rugged Radios has to say. So one thing I will say before I show it, I'm going to bring up the letter. I just copy-pasted the letter into a Word document, so I'm going to share you verbatim what it says. I will say this. I was very impressed with the way they responded. Rugged Radios could have sent me an email, and they could have sent, well, first of all, I didn't send them my video link. So the fact that they found it means that they're doing their own searching. So I didn't send it to them. I don't know if maybe one of you guys sent it to them. I'm not aware of anyone who sent it directly to them. So somehow they found the video and they sent me an email as a direct response to it. Now, they could have sent me an email and called me names. They could have sent me an email and said, and told me how wrong I was and that I never should have been born. And they could have gone the whole QRZ hater route with it. They did not do that. And whether or not you take, and I'm not telling you to take this at face value, and I'm not telling you to not take it at face value. What I'm saying is I put up a video, and I didn't bash Rugged Radios on my video. I simply reported what had been written about them. And then they sent me an email, which was very positive in its intent. So I've traded several emails with them since then. I might be doing some reviews of some products they have for GMRS upcoming. Nothing's been hammered out on that yet. But I wanted to share this because I was actually quite impressed with this. So I'm just going to read it to you verbatim. He says, "Hi, Jason. I found and watched your video last night and wanted to reach out to you. First, I appreciate your professionalism. It's a great video that I feel leaves the opportunity to tell our story. As we all know, the FCC issued us Rugged Race Products a citation. We have been working with the FCC on this inquiry for several years now. In that time, admittedly, we have learned many things. To give you a bit of history, Rugged Race Products, we shortened the name to Rugged Radios, was born in a garage about 15 years ago. The company started as, and will always be, an accessory manufacturer. We employ 29 years of experience in aviation, fire, public safety, and off-road communication industries to provide high-quality accessories for communication in high-noise environments. About 14 years of this experience was acquired through previous ownership of another communications equipment manufacturer. Through years of dedication, hard work, and continual investment in the company, we have grown rugged, and this is something we are extremely proud of. Among other brands, we have sold Kenwood, Icom, Vertex, and Motorola. We are a Motorola dealer. So that should tell you something right there. Along with our intercoms, headsets, and other accessories. In 2014, we began marketing radios under our own brand with our own improvements. These radios include offerings from Baofeng and QIT. We cut ties with both of these manufacturers several years ago due to major quality control issues. I'll read that again. We cut ties with both of these manufacturers, being Baofeng and QIT, several years ago due to major quality control issues. So that should make some of you happy. Based on the comments I see every time I put up a video about a Chinese radio, that should make some of you happy. In that time, we have certainly made some mistakes. We have learned a tremendous amount over the years, especially during our dealings with the FCC. Parentheses, they have been great to work with, by the way. Well, it's good to know. As a result, we have made great strides forward. We are now fully FCC compliant and have launched several new models that meet all the FCC rulings, including two-way GMRS mobile radios that are currently among our top-selling radio offerings. Additionally, we now offer radio mounting solutions that allow users to use virtually any radio. This is something we're very, very excited about and allows us to showcase our non-radio products with the radio of the customer's choosing. As a company, we have vowed to lead the communications industry in promoting proper radio use and licensing, whether it be GMRS, ham, business, etc. Big things to come from us. We do hope you give us a chance. If there's sometime you'd like to talk, please do reach out. We'd love to hear from you. Steve Gonzalez, he is the product development leader of Rugged Radios in California. So, thoughts on that? As I said a minute ago, I'm pretty impressed that A, they found my video, because I didn't send it to them. Maybe they watch YouTube. Maybe they subscribe to some of the channels out there. They seem to kind of focus on GMRS, and while I've done one or two videos about GMRS, I'm not a GMRS channel. I'm a ham radio channel, and I don't think Rugged Radios has ever really sold a ham radio. Not that's been really marketed that way anyhow. There's some nuances there that could be argued in either direction. But again, they didn't send me a scathing email and call me names and tell me I was stupid, say, dude, you're hurting our business. You need to take that video down. He didn't ask me to take the video down. He didn't comment poorly. He did make a comment on the video. And he just, hey, Jason, thanks for the video. I sent you an email. And I replied to him. I said, thanks. Yeah, I got your email. I'll be responding shortly. And I did. But you know what? I think that shows a lot of class. I really do. I think that shows a lot of class that he would find the video and comment on the video. I just think that shows a lot of class. I think it shows a lot of class that he would find the video and comment positively on the video and then send me a direct email with a positive attitude. With all the hater comments you can get on YouTube these days, and all the hater comments that are on Facebook and especially on QRZ, it's refreshing to have some sort of information like this that fits into the realm of, hey, let's learn from our mistakes and grow together. So I'd like to know what you guys think. I had a lot of really good comments on that first video I put up about Rugged Radios. So I'd like to know what your thoughts are. Put your comments below and we'll catch you next time.